This video shows how to connect a Google Apps LTI to a course in Canvas. Please note, if the course is in an institution that is a Google Suite for Education clients, then the Google Apps LTI is best connected by the system administrator for Canvas. Also note that if the Canvas instance is not for an institution that is a Google Suite for Education client, then each student will need to decide which Google account they use to connect with the Google Drive LTI. This is especially important for the use of the Cloud Assignments external tool. In this example, my browser window, I have already logged into a Google account. In my Canvas course, I go to the Settings page and I select the Apps tab. I then select the link See Some LTI Tools That Work Great in Canvas, and I make sure to open that in a new tab. That page is the Edu App Center, which is a web page maintained by Canvas. I then search for Google and select the Google Apps LTI. To install this in my Canvas course, I select the configuration URL and copy it. Back in Canvas, I select the button for View App Configurations and then the button to Add App. The configuration type is by URL. I then need three pieces of information besides the name. One is the config URL that I copied from the Edu App Center. I then also need a consumer key and a shared secret. These are personal to my Google account. To get those links, I need to go back to the Edu App Center. On the information page for Google Apps, under Installation Instructions, there is a link to the word Here. When I select that, because I am already logged into Google in this browser, I get a page with a button that says Generate LTI Key and Secret. Again, I must already be logged into Google within this browser window, and when I click this button, this key and secret is for the Google account that I'm currently logged into. The key I copy, come back into Canvas, and in the Add App dialog, I paste the consumer key. Back on the generated key and secret page, I copy the secret, and then I paste that in the shared secret field. I then select Submit. The app has already been added, and I can now use the Google Apps LTI throughout Canvas.